Right, big up Chi-Ching Ching. And from we say Chi-Ching Ching, we say one knock. It was a good look, it mash up the dancer. And now we have One Knock TV. So, One Knock TV, big up yourself. A mad thing. Different voice again now. You don't know Super Pipe in the building. Steven Super Pipe Davis, you don't know. Diamond League, UPT, The Whole Works, UPT Records. You don't know UPT Gear, the clothing line. Brand ambassador for Reggae Grabber. Smoking products. Also, I work with Exclusive Vodka. One of the promoters for Sexy Tuesday. Also one of the promoters for Mojito Mondays. Car Sexy. Listen, man, I just do a lot of things, and I produce music. I produce one of the most phenomenal songs in dancehall, Dirty Wine, which was a phenomenon, I swear. So I did some history, you know what I mean? I have something to, when I get old, I can always say I did that. I produced that track that made girls wind their neck off.